The state-wise main program of Republic Day will be held at the Assam Rifle Ground. The final preparation for the parade are underway. Several platoons will participate in the Assam Rifles ground parade this time.
Assam Rifles Club, Tripura Traffic Police Platoon.
অত্যন্ত সুসজ্জিতভাবে মাঠ থেকে প্রস্থান করছেন আমাদের পরবর্তী কার্যক্রম সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠান।
The final preparation for the parade are underway at Assam Rifles Maidan in the capital ahead of Republic Day on 26 January. The state-wise main program of Republic Day will be held at the Assam Rifles Maidan. Several platoons will participate in the Assam Rifles ground parade this time. Final preparation were observed at the Assam Rifle ground on Wednesday. The platoons taking part in the parade take part in the drill one by one. Platoon of state police along with TSR participated in the parade. There are several bands. Assam Rifles ground and its entrance are being decorated for Republic Day celebrations. High-ranking officers of the state police were present in the final parade exercise of the day.
Senior Division Girls Club.
Reported by Pranav from Magatala, Chini Khorang.